Shalom, peace and blessings, everyone. Welcome to Generational Impact for Yeshua. I'm Brother Chuka, and today's Igbo words are AHAYAH wu CHUKWU, which means his name is I am that I am, self-existent one, commonly known as God, capital G-O-D. Today I'm going to be reading from Psalms 23. It's a very popular chapter written by King David, and I'm going to be reading from the Scriptures version with emphasis, okay? Yahweh, AHAYAH wu CHUKWU, I am that I am, is my shepherd. I do not lack. The King James Version would say, I do not want. He makes me to lie down in green pastures. He leads me beside still waters. He turns back my being. And then the King James Version would say, he restores my soul. He leads me in the paths of righteousness for his name's sake. When I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I fear no evil. For you are with me, your rod and your staff, they comfort me. You spread before me a table in the face of my enemies. You have anointed my head with oil. My cup runs over. And the King James Version says, my cup overflows. Only goodness and loving commitment follow me. And the King James Version says, goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life. And I shall dwell in the house of Yahweh, AHAYAH wu CHUKWU, I am that I am, to the length of days, forever and ever. Hallelujah. Okay?